What's up YouTube, this is a new tutorial on the DEKO channel. Before we start, don't forget to click on subscribe and like and share this video in anywhere. If you want to work with me, you can contact me in description, Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp. And if you want to get beats or plugins or anything in the music or even in the sound engineering, you can contact me in description. And let's see this video. In this video I will show you how to mix like Sheck with type tracks. So first thing, let's listen to the track that I worked on with big artist in the US.
Man, they really know. Niggas scared of it, you know. And they know. They acting like I don't know. Why they act like they don't know? Facts. Why they hating on the low? Get around these rap niggas talking about I'm blow smoke when they know. When they see me in the field, got knocked, came home and did another drill and they know. I've been sliding on my ops. Grandma saying why you wildin' on my block and they know.
This is just a part of the track. So if you wanna get mixing and mastering services like this, you can contact me in the description. And I'm making some good offers on the mixing and the mastering and even on the beats. So yeah, let's see how we made this. First thing, I put the beat, then the vocals. Then let's go to the mixer. Right here I put some DSL right here.
Act like I don't know. Man, they really know.
Then the equalizer like this.
Niggas scared of it, you know.
Then some equalizer.
Facts. Ain't on the low, get around these rap niggas talking about I'm blow smoke when they know. When they see me in the field, got knocked, came home and did another drill and they know. I've been sliding on my ops. Grandma saying why.
I put the compressor like this, then fresh air, then filter Saturn, fruit limiter, OTT. This is multiband compressor, load overdrive. This is like a distortion, sound distortion, and this is the auto-tune. I use it right here, like automation. After that, we linked this insert with some other inserts. Okay, then let's go to the next one, the main vocal. First thing here, I used some plugins as automation clip, like the auto-tune and love filter and the echo. The echo is so important right here. And here some DSR, equalizer and another equalizer. Then the compressor, fresh air, Saturn, fruit limiter, OTT, soft tube. Then I linked this with so many inserts like delay right here and here the main, and in the main I put a lot of plugins to make it better. So first thing here, equalizer, and I did cut the mid, like here it's removing the bad frequencies from the mid. Then I did the shape, load overdrive, this plugin, and some auto-tune, sound odizer, love filter, echo boy. And I linked this with another one, it's the reverb. So yeah, let's listen. And here I put some effects like this one.
Tell them not the box and they know. I do a drill, I love the feel. I learn to kill cause I'm from the Ville. I spin blocks, I shit. Niggas want you shot. I don't give a fuck about them niggas on the other side. That nigga mad I shot his brother so he try to slide.
This is a video. Don't forget to click on subscribe and like and share this video anywhere. If you want to work with me, don't forget to contact me in the description. I'm DEKO from DEKO channel. Peace.